Final Donkey, restart it because I thought of the world's funniest thing in the world.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. We are on.
I have to try this.
So we are on Tiny Island.
Tiny Land.
Tiny Land. And I wanted to make a kindergarten. But Logan didn't listen.
Hey, hold on. I have to TYP equal. Yes, it works.
So you're actually making the
Player. I'm in the second position.
And actually a big one.
Uh-huh. I just want to make sure I know this.
Do you promise?
Uh-huh.
What?
What? What? Hold on. Just pause the video. You're gonna pause it now. Anvil. Take a screenshot so I remember.
Where did you get
Bam.
this tiny mod, by the way?
Mod? I made it. Here. There.
Okay, what do I do?
Make a kindergarten like you wanted. So you'll stop bugging me.
I need a very fast surface.
Make one. Just straight up make one. Block. Do not harm this little baby. Uh-huh.
This will be better to make in a flat squad.
Just make whatever then. Hey. No, I'm trying to do something real quick. TYPE equals. What was that? That's a yawn. That's not a yawn, bro. Set. What?
How did you get the mod?
I made it for the last flipping time.
We can make mods.
Yes. Hold on. Run! 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 Anvils are chasing us. Really, look up! Anvils are chasing us wherever we walk. It's like a TNT run, but much worse. And much more dangerous. And I can't walk with this tiny mod. Oh crap. One little mod makes a giant difference. You're stuck! The Anvils are just gonna keep on hitting you. Wait, can we squeeze through these? Oh my gosh, that's so awesome. Ah! They're coming for us! Wait, I know. I'll make them make a bridge. Bridge! This is so fun! Hey, you know TNT runs? This video is called the Anvil Run. Whoever dies first loses this whole video. Oh my gosh, this is so hard! Lennon, it's so hard swimming, huh? Ah, crap! Forgot. Ah! Me too. Ow. Ah!
I have 15 anvils.
I have I have over 100. Well, actually, I have like 80. I have 88 anvils. No, I'm not. I was, but
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. Oh crap! The anvils are coming. Oh yeah, I know why. It's because the anvils have to be like facing each other for me to squeeze through. Anvils are coming. Final donkey. What's that say? Oh, final donkey got squished by an anvil, which means I win. All right. Alright, so let's just kill each other. Let's kill AE. Ready, set, go! Oh, well, that didn't work at all.
Shrine block.
Hold on. Hold on, let me reset our spawn point, okay?
That was spawn point got stacked.
Alright. Alright, don't attack me, okay? Ready, set, go! Go, go, go! Come on, we got... Where's your armor? Where's your armor, bro? Well, you're gonna lose way easily. What? No, you stay still! Ah! I'm choked! No, get out of here! I win! How about whoever wins, 2, 3, how about whoever wins 5 times, okay? I'll tell you when. Don't move yet. Ready, set, go! Okay, we are already moving. Why am I following you? I just gotta get squashed by your anvils. Okay, I win. Yeah, you died. I won that round, I said. Ready, set. Alright, well, you're already going, so. I'm trapped! Alright. Alright, so I have 4 wins, right? I'm at 3 wins, right? 3 or 4. Alright. The goal, alright, the technique is just keep on running. Oh, and try to go under something sometimes. Besides an anvil, or else that's not going to help at all. I meant to do AE, or, yeah, when I did AS by accident, guys. Oh, no. I know how to stop the stupid water. Wait, what? The anvil stopped.
I win.
No, like, all of them stopped. Not gonna crush me that easily.
Hey, you want Kratos?
Well, yeah, I wonder why. Now they're working. Oh, I think we were way too far.
I don't know. I'm in the water.
This doesn't count, okay?
And I'm trapped.
Come on. Just stay close to the command block, okay? So I still have 3 wins, right? You have 0. You know, you can just keep on running in front of me and some of your anvils might crush me. You know that, right? Anvils can't crush trees, right? Oh my gosh! I only have 3.5 hearts left. Man, anvils are stronger than they look. They look pretty strong. Oh my gosh! Oh, I almost got this squash. squished through! I squished through. I'm gonna try to, like, stay under the leaves. But yeah, I'm running. Even though I should just stay under the leaves the whole time. No! The hard part is when you keep on, like, pressing the anvils, huh? Isn't that hard? Ow. Help! 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 No! No! Yes! I'm safe here, probably. Maybe for a few seconds. No! Let me in! Let me in! Please, Sandra. Yes! Why am I in sneak mode? Alright. No, 4. Alright. Go, go, go! No! What? Oh no! You cheater! Trying to cheat! Oh no! Help, guys! One leg equals one anvil off of the donkey! By the way, you can't harm me. Oh well, actually, you can. Oh! You almost got squashed you almost squashed yourself. Oh wait, we gotta go this way. Oh my gosh! I just realized something. My helmet broke because of all the anvils. That's hilarious, huh?
Why is it not working?
Alright, I still have 4 wins. Go, go, go! Wait, I have a perfect plan besides going under something. No! Read it! This is my place! Well, this is a good way to get rid of water, I guess, right? Die, water! Oh yeah, I just realized to do a good thing too. Help, help, help! Let me in, please! And let's fall slower into water, right? Ow, no, they evidently don't. Well, this is like an anvil race. I'm at maze. It's an anvil race. Oh no, I really shouldn't have done that. I kicked the anvils off. No, 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 don't. We still got one more win for one. I still gotta win one more time. When it's 15 minutes, then we gotta end it, okay? Just die. Just die. Like, legit, just die. Yay! Bye, guys!